Imagine a world where skyscrapers are built in days, not years. A world where homes are affordable, adaptable, and eco-friendly. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of 3D printing. And it's happening faster than you think. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see why 3D printing is more than just a technology, it's a revolution. Let's kick things off with one of the most jaw-dropping uses of 3D printing: construction. Did you know that entire houses are already being 3D printed in under 24 hours? Yes, you heard that right. Companies like Icon and API's Core are leading the charge, transforming construction sites into high-tech hubs of innovation. But it's not just about speed. 3D printing slashes costs by up to 50%, making housing more accessible to millions worldwide. Imagine families in disaster zones or low-income areas moving into sturdy homes built in days. This technology has the power to end housing crises and redefine urban landscapes. Also, who knew a glorified hot glue gun could build a mansion? Technology is wild, right? Now, let's talk about something that's keeping scientists and environmentalists awake at night: sustainability. Traditional construction is a wasteful process, contributing over 30% of global carbon emissions. 3D printing flips the script. Materials like concrete infused with recycled plastic, sand, and even bio-waste are being used to create these structures. The result? Up to 60% less material waste and a massive reduction in carbon footprints. And this is just the beginning. Because what if I told you these buildings could think for themselves? Welcome to the future: smart cities. By integrating 3D printing with IoT, Internet of Things, cities can be built to adapt to their environments. Think solar-powered skyscrapers or walls that regulate temperature automatically. The population is growing, resources are shrinking, and the clock is ticking. We need smarter cities now. Imagine walking through a city where every building is custom designed for its location, reducing energy consumption and making urban life sustainable. And hey, if the walls could talk, they'd probably say, "Finally, humans are catching up." But what if this technology doesn't just transform cities, but entire planets? The future of 3D printing goes beyond prototypes. It's about building a better world. A world of innovation, sustainability, and endless possibilities. And if you're as excited about technology as I am, there's so much more to explore. Click on the next video to dive into the evolution of gaming consoles, from pixelated nostalgia to immersive experiences. I'll see you there.